In entertainment, taking television and social media by storm, the Maria Clara at Ibarra TV series has reimagined two of the most famous Filipino novels in history, Jose Rizal's Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. The stars themselves tell us what it's like behind the scenes. Barbie Fortesa, who plays Cly, and David Licauco in the role of Fidel, join us now live in the studio.
Yes, thank you.
Are you back from the 19th century?
Opo, tapos babalik din po kami.
Babalik din pala kayo doon. Nandito lang kayo, na-crossover lang kayo sa 21st century para sa final word.
Yes. Para sa final word, para po sa inyo, Sir Rico. Thank you so much for having us.
Oh, thank you so much for joining us tonight. And of course, the success, Cly and Fidel, is not only about Maria Clara and Crisostomo Ibarra, but it's about your two characters. So, tell me, Barbie, what do you like about Cly?
Siguro yung pagiging yung paninindigan niya, lalo na pagdating sa women empowerment. Doon sa panahon na wala pang paniniwala yung mga kalalakihan sa kababaihan, talagang parang si Cly yung naging boses ng mga kababaihan ng panahong yon. And so siguro in a way thankful na rin siya kasi binabackupan siya ni Fidel.
Bakit mo naman binabackup si Cly, David? Bakit mo sinusuporta?
May gusto ko sa kanya siguro.
Hindi mo pwedeng parehas muna tayo mag-isip? Oo, same wavelength. Oo.
Because at that time, hindi ba, male rules, hindi ba? Men rule. Di ba nakikita rin natin sa mga praile? Di ba? Kahit si Padre Salvi, ang paborito nating antagonist, di ba? Kontrabida.
Yes.
But what do you like about your role, Fidel? Because Cly and Fidel are not even in the original novels of Jose Rizal.
Exactly. So, as Fidel's character, he is a playboy and comes from a rich family. Tapos,
entitled.
And very entitled, sadly. So, nag-change lang siya when he met Cly. So, na-in-love siya. And then eventually, yung perspective niya about life suddenly became different. So yun, because of the love of Cly.
So, nagkatuluyan na kayo? Magkakatuluyan ba kayo?
Sana.
Maria Clara.
Sana.
Sabi naman to. Ang bilis-bilis naman.
Sinabi na yung ending.
Pwede mo bigyan mo muna ako ng chance, mag-isipan, mag-decide.
Matagal mo kasi masyado.
Oo nga eh. Hindi, pero yun naman din po yung maganda rin sa characters namin. So since both our characters are made up, ang daling laruin ng mga eksena namin. Ang daling dagdagan, ang daling mas pagandahin pa yung mga eksena namin, mas flexible, kumbaga, yung eksena namin. At saka, ewan ko ba, maraming nakagusto kasi nung umpisa namin na very, aso at pusa.
Yeah,
diba?
Hindi ba mga Gen Z ngayon, tsaka millennials, pag sinabi mong Noli Me Tangere at El Filibusterismo, sinasabi nila, ano yun? Hindi ba? It's just all part of history. But now that you are part and parcel of these two very important novels of our times, Barbie, what should our youth do right now to learn more about these two very important literature works of Jose Rizal?
I think number one po, dapat talaga panoorin niyo po yung show namin.
Ayan.
No, kasi we made learning fun for them. Kasi nagkaroon siya ng Gen Z point of view eh.
Yes,
So hindi siya talaga yung straightforward na talagang very historical, na medyo boring, ganyan. We made it fun kasi manggagaling siya sa point of view ng isang Gen Z. Tapos magkakaroon pa ng medyo angle ng puppy love, ganyan. At saka sa nangyayari po kasi ngayon, parang tinutulungan kong magkaroon ng paninindigan din even Maria Clara na talagang very timid, very conservative. Unti-unti natututunan niyang magsalita for herself through Cly.
And what about you, Fidel? I mean, these historical literature works, should our youth really look into them? And if it's indeed relevant to their lives today?
Well, I would say na kasi feeling ko na take for granted yung Philippine history.
Yes.
So, syempre, by watching Maria Clara, like what Barbie said, na parang naging fun yung pag-aaral ng Philippine history. And for me kasi, what I liked about being in that setting kasi, diba like before, walang cellphones. So like right now, like parang all the millennials and Gen Zs are always equipped with their phones, right? So I think na kung subukan natin na minsan mag-stop din mag-use ng phone, then we become more creative. Like our human interactions are like way better. So, ayun, that's what I like about it.
Very, very interesting point. And of course, if they're always on their smartphones, they can download these two very historical literature works of our national hero. At saka pwede nilang basahin, hindi ba? Para makakatugma rin yung binabasa nila from No Limitang and El Filibusterismo with your teleserye Maria Clara at Ibarra.
Totoo po yan.
Oo.
Actually, ngayon nga po nakakatuwa dahil nakikita ko maraming nagtatag sa amin sa social media. Maraming bumibili ulit ng No Limitang Here.
Yeah,
Maraming nagbabasa ulit. Even the younger ones. Kaya nakakatuwa rin talaga yung impact na nagawa ng Maria Clara at Ibarra.
Nako, kumikita na naman ng mga bookstores. At saka marami yung mga reprints ng No Limitang Here at El Filibusterismo. Of course, we've mentioned at the beginning of this interview that Clay and Fidel are made-up characters and are not part of these two novels.
Yes.
So, tatanungin ko sa iyo, Barbie, if you were not Clay in this teleserye, which other character would you play? Female.
Female?
Oh, female.
Siguro si Salome.
Salome.
Yan,
Bakit si
oo.
Salome?
Kasi she's really different from the other women nung panahong yun. Siya, liberated,
Open-minded.
with a lot of courage. Oo, hindi. At saka talagang mas gugustuhin niya mapabuti yung taong minamahal niya. Parang hindi niya ginawang hindrance yung relationship nila ni Elias para mag-succeed si Elias sa mga plano niya sa buhay. Yung ganun yung masyadong malawak ang isip ni Salome.
And of course, the women of today, just like yourself, have really wide experience and knowledge about the world of today. Kung one of the male characters, who would
Ayan,
it be?
yes.
I'm so excited Kasi sinabi niya sa akin off the record kanina.
Napaka-interesting po kasi talaga ng character ni Padre Sal.
Nako, oo.
Talagang the iron.
Ang sama niya.
Yes, oo, di ba?
I can feel.
Yung nagsasabing sugo ng Diyos, tapos ang daming mga hidden agenda, di ba? Ang sayang laruin ng character.
Ikaw naman, David, which other character apart from Fidel would you like to play in No Limitang Here?
Girl
Some of
or-
the main characters.
girl or boy?
Okay. Sige,
rin.
umpisahan natin yung girl. Umpisahan natin yung girl.
Well,
Female.
Honestly, gusto ko kay Clay. Kasi syempre, diba?
Oo.
Pag-GND siya, napunta sa Philippine history, sobrang interesting nun. And,
Kalog.
Kalog.
Hindi ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Yun.
Kung male character.
I would say si Ibarra. Ibarra. Kasi yung persistence niya and yung grit niya towards kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. Like, he makes sure na he goes the extra mile to do it as long as na alam niya na tama and it's by his principles. So, yun, si Ibarra siguro.
Talagang crush ng bayan na si Maria Clara at Ibarra, di ba? Send my regards to Dennis Trillo and Julie San Jose.
Yes.
So, Barbie, of course, nakikita natin from the 19th century to the 21st century, iba yung ating mga values, iba-iba ating mga morals, ang ways, ang cultural practices. If given a choice to live in one period, or would you like to live in the 19th century, or would you like to live in the 21st century?
I'm so thankful that ngayon ako nabubuhay, sir. Kasi parang hindi ko kakayanin with this mindset. Tapos, nung sinaunang panahon ako nabubuhay, parang ang hirap. Kasi masyado nilang binibilital talaga ang mga babae.
Oo.
Parang masyado nilang, parang walang boses sa mga babae ng mga panahong yon. So, ang hirap para sa akin. As a woman, hindi ko alam kung para sa kanya, pero ako kasi bilang babae, lalo na ginagawa namin yung show na yon, parang masyadong maliit ang tingin nila sa mga babae.
And it's Clay and Salome that's standing up
Yeah.
for Filipino women during
Exactly.
that period. Oo. Ikaw naman, David, would you like to live today with the cell phones, with social media, or would you like na walang telepono?
Wala aircon.
Aircon.
Diba? Sobrang
Kotse.
init naman, walang kotse. So, I would say yung now, syempre.
Oo.
Now. Kasi, yun nga, yung cellphone, yung aircon, like, everything's easier.
Oo.
Ganun. Tsaka, syempre, respectful ako sa mga babae, kaya ayoko nang inaaway yung mga babae.
Promise?
Ayan, respect, di ba? Nasa entablado ang ating mga Filipino women.
Yeah.
So, nako, I was expecting you to be wearing a suit, a barong. Ikaw naman, yung saya mo. Hindi ba kayo nahihirapan sa costume ninyo? Because nabasa ko talagang to the letter ang mga costumes ninyo based on historical fashion books.
Yes, opo. Kudos to the whole team of Maria Clara at Ibarra. Talagang well-researched po talaga from the set design to the costumes. Talagang sinorse out nila from different cities. Kahit yung yung mga accessories ni Maria Clara, talagang lahat yon ni-research nila, pinag-aralan nila.
To the last detail,
Yes, opo.
Oo.
Kaya talagang accurate na accurate po talaga yung costumes namin. So, I wear it with pride.
Oo.
Kahit mahirap, kahit challenging siya, alam kong pinaghirapan kasi siya at pinagkaabalahan din talaga. So, I don't take it for granted. Inaalagaan ko rin talaga.
And of course, what is the meaning of the fan?
Oh, naku,
What is the
maraming
meaning
ibig
of the
sabihin
fan?
nun, sir.
Anong ibig sabihin nun?
Oh my God.
When you're in front of other ladies or a man that you admire. Paano yun? Ano ba nangyari? How was the practice during the 19th century?
Feeling ko doon nga nagsimula yung hint ni Fidel na attracted ako sa kanya.
Ayan.
Kasi may yung eksena po namin sa simbahan na nagpaypay ako ng mabilis in front of him.
That means gusto mo yung lalaki.
Opo, na gusto ko siya. I like him, I admire him. Pero ang ibig sabihin po kasi talaga, naiinitan lang ako. Pero nung time kasi na yun, hindi ko pa alam ang ibig sabihin. Pero yun, feeling ko doon nag-start na nagkaroon ng hint yung character ni Fidel.
Parang may love interest.
Oo, ganun po.
So Fidel, nakalimutan ko na. Fidel na ang tawag ko sa'yo. David, no? What else can we expect from Maria Clara at Ibarra going forward? Just give us a hint.
Siguro baka umamin na ako kay Binibining Clyde sa feelings towards her. And yun, tsaka marami pa maabangan, like in Philippine history, marami pa kami hindi napapakita sa mga viewers namin, so marami pa.
Will we also be seeing Cly going back and forth from the present to the past, or andyan ka lang sa 19th century?
Well,
Barbie?
yes, some of the things na kailangan nyo pong abangan sa Maria Clara at Ibarra. Dahil nga, patagal na kami ng patagal, medyo pa-tragic na rin ng pa-tragic ang mga susunod na eksena.
Of course, may mga mamamatay na mga characters.
Yes, and I think for those na nakabasa na ng libro, alam na yung ending. So, siguro isa rin yung sa kinaganda kung bakit may Fidel at Cly to bring lightness somehow, kahit na medyo mabibigat na yung mga susunod na eksena. And also, yun naman yung pinromise ni Professor Torres kay Cly, na pag natapos mo naman yung libro, makakauwi ka na sa inyo. So, yes, I'm hoping na makita ko na ulit ang nanay ko soon.
Sama mo naman ako.
Mga parents na agad.
Oo nga, di ba Fidel and Cly, no, David, no, give the twists and the turns and the complexion, new complexion into Maria Clara at Ibarra.
Exactly, yeah. Sorry.
Exciting talaga, no?
Ayun yan.
You give new life,
Yeah,
new light
oo.
into the characters, no?
I mean,
of
especially
Noli
si
Me
Fidel, kasi Ibarra, like yung character niya medyo, like by the principles Yung sa akin medyo nasa out of the box siya. So parang mas naging easier siya for me na laruin, medyo pakit ng konti, para like for the Gen Zs na nanonood ng Maria Clara. So, yun.
Well, masaya kami, Barbie and David, that you are here with us live in the final word. And after this, babalik na kayo sa 19th century.
Yes,
Maria Clara at Ibarra, ready na kayo?
Ready na po.
Alright. Barbie Fortesa as Cly and David Licauco as Fidel. Thank you so much for joining us on
Thank
the
you so
final
much.
word.
Thank you, sir.
And all the best to the success of Maria Clara at Ibarra.
Shout out po kay Miss Melanie.
Ako, big fan
Thank you
kanya.
for
Big fan.
watching.
Kayong dalawa. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.